What you got there?
It's a bass.
All right, well, put your thumb on the bottom right there.
I don't want to do that. I don't want to mess with
Right there. That's it. And then sit back on him. You know how to do it. I mean, dude, it's been a little while. All right, pull back. There you go. Now, what did I say about the hook? What are you gonna do with that hook? Don't, not two hands, one hand. Get him away from your clothes. You take the oils off the skin if you get it on your clothes. And then when you put him back, bugs can enter his skin. You don't want to take the film off the fish.
Got it.
Just pop it straight out. Bring it out here and show him what you got. That's a nice bass, dude. Smile and say cheeseburger.
Cheese.
Cool. All right, you got one?
Yes,
all right, get him in here, man.
I got one.
Dude, you got one or what? Where's he at? I don't see him yet. What you got? Oh, it's a pickerel. Look. He is, man.
I don't like this back.
Ooh, you.
Mess with those teeth. Can you do it?
Look at that. That's a 5-pound pickerel, dude. You think that's a good fish? Smile and say cheeseburger.
Okay.
All right, now. All right, now, well, all right, shh. Hush, stop. Get your hands wet, right? Now, look, he doesn't have any teeth. He doesn't have any teeth right here. Ouch. Yeah, he's got a few. Okay, but I'm still going to get him there. If he'd stop. Okay. Now, look at the hook. Pop right out. Just bleed like 10 minutes. Yeah, you got me. He's got some teeth. Anyway, that's how you do it.
Okay.
I didn't have. All you got to do is pick him up.
I was filming that.
You grab him by the
This camera's.
grass now. All right, now he's chilling because he's in all so much grass. He is all wrapped up in the grass. How big do you think he is, Marcole? He is, man. Let's see where he is. Oh, there he is. Ooh, there he is, dude. He's every bit of 5. He's every bit of 5 pounds. Easy, pal. Easy. Easy. I'll let you go. Shh. There you go. Look at that. That's a pretty one.
Excuse me. My hands are
my
hands are a little bit wet, and I'm touching this camera. Do you think you?
It was right there in the grass. You hear the frog? We're not using frogs, really. We don't never use frogs, do we, Marcole?
Yeah, we never use frogs.
Never use frogs.
We hate frogs.
Hate frogs. Never
Yeah,
use
they're
frogs.
terrible. They never work in this
Never,
pond.
ever.
Never, ever.
We, Marcole, we're right here at the dock and at the bridge, and Marco said he was ready to go. He was tired. And I'm like, what are you tired from? He says, I'm tired from catching so many fish.
Yeah, we caught a lot of fish today. We have a lot of
How many
footage.
bass did we catch?
We'll have to count the footage to know a small answer.
Marco was catching one while I was catching one. Nobody was filming. We got, I got what, 4 bass in a row back there. And we started out with a big old crappie. So this is it. We're signing off. What a day. The frogs are just going, burp, burp.